Welcome to Flagstaff Buick GMC. I'm Patrick, the service manager, wanting to welcome you for all your service needs. Here at Flagstaff Buick GMC, we have over 178 years of experience with our GM Master Technicians. Our technicians are highly trained and certified. We work on not only your Buick or GMC vehicles, but other makes and models.
Welcome to the Flagstaff Buick GMC Parts Department. My name's Travis, I'm the parts manager here. We carry a full line of GM OEM parts and accessories to help you with all of your GM parts and accessory needs. If you have any questions or would like to order a part, you can reach out to Nate or Brian here, and we look forward to helping you with any of your parts needs going forward.
It's important to us that you understand what is happening with your vehicle and why it needs service and or repairs. We are committed to your satisfaction. Once again, thank you for your time. Don't forget, visit Flagstaff Buick GMC for all your service needs. Have a good day.